Are you ready to take your bicycle workshop to the next level? Introducing MotoKontrol CRM, the tool that will transform the way you manage your motorcycle business. With MotoKontrol CRM, make the most of your customer database. Keep your customers informed at all times through email and WhatsApp. Manage your business appointment schedule to serve those customers seeking your products. Don't miss a single business opportunity. MotoKontrol CRM automates the sending of reminders to your customers. Don't worry about managing service appointments or sending greetings and promotions. We do it for you. MotoKontrol CRM, you can monitor your business income through various modules, such as ticket management, deliveries, second-hand sales, and bike fitting. We synchronize MotoKontrol CRM with your ERP system so that you always have visibility of available inventory. Record business opportunities and efficiently track them with our CRM. Customize email templates and send targeted messages to your database. Measure customer satisfaction through service surveys and maintain a comprehensive record of product warranties. Make life easier for your mechanics with payment settlement and control of their service appointment schedule. Improve your profits with detailed reports and analysis that will help you perfect your communication strategies. In addition to all these amazing features, MotoKontrol CRM provides complete control of your work orders. With our platform, you can trace every job done in your workshop. Keep precise records of repairs, notify your customers, and obtain authorizations for necessary spare parts. Don't waste any more time. Contact us today for a free demonstration of MotoKontrol CRM and discover how we can transform your bicycle workshop.